Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you're struggling with constipation, you're not alone, and I've got you covered. Today, I'll be sharing some simple and natural home remedies to help you get relief quickly and safely. Let's dive in. Constipation is when you have difficulty passing stools, or you find yourself going less than 3 times a week. It can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even pain. The good news is there are many easy, natural remedies that can help ease constipation and get things moving again. First, drink plenty of water. Dehydration is one of the biggest causes of constipation. Make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day. Water softens stool and helps move things along smoothly. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses a day, and you might notice a significant difference. Next, incorporate fiber-rich foods into your diet. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps it pass more easily. Foods like apples, oats, chia seeds, beans, and leafy greens are great options. Aim to include more of these in your meals, and remember, fiber needs water to work, so pair it with your hydration. Now, let's talk about natural laxatives. Figs are known for their powerful ability to relieve constipation. They contain sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that draws water into your intestines. Try eating 3 to 4 prunes or a handful of figs, and you'll likely find some relief. Ground flax seeds are also amazing because they're high in fiber and healthy fats. Another simple remedy is warm lemon water. Lemon helps stimulate the digestive system and flushes out toxins. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. It's refreshing and can kickstart your digestive process for the day. Aloe vera juice can also help. It has natural soothing properties for the digestive system and acts as a mild laxative. You can drink a small amount of aloe vera juice, about 2 tablespoons, before meals to relieve constipation. Herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, or dandelion root can also help with digestion. These teas have natural properties that can relieve bloating and discomfort while encouraging regular bowel movements. Enjoy a warm cup after meals for some soothing relief. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural wellness tips. And if you have your own favorite remedy for constipation, share it with us in the comments below. Stay healthy and take care.